Angry ass ninja.
Mm-hmm.
Is there any other kind?
Is there any other kind? There's the sarcastic ninja.
Yeah.
There's the depressed ninja. There's the,
Wait. Tell me this isn't like a meme or something that already exists.
No, ninjas are calm. Yeah, nah, they're not.
Ninjas are fucking trifling. What is that? Shady, conniving. They're always like this.
Conniving.
Conniving. Let me fucking kill you for that one.
That's what I meant.
I like that.
That's what I said.
That's what you meant.
Oh no, I thought you were trying to emphasize on the knives.
No,
Like
no,
knives.
that's the second
Connive.
one. That works.
Conniving.
It works for dumb people too.
What the hell is he doing?
Conniving. Throwing.
Yo, we will bring real weapons to the set, man, like ninja stars and knives. You know?
Are people getting hit with it?
Yeah, if I'm playing around with it.
We weren't the original cast for the ninjas. Put it that way. A couple of lawsuits later, we jumped on board.
All right.
That's why it's taking so long to finish his web series.